Hello everybody, this is Danish and we are doing the weekly chart review for NASDAQ and S&P 500 futures. Let's get into my screen sharing session. So here we have ES futures pulled up and we can see that we were making constant lower highs and lower lows. However, for the past 5 weeks prior to the current week that we just finished, we started forming higher lows, but essentially we were making an ascending triangle. If we look at a daily chart, it was forming more like a pennant, but the weekly was looking like an ascending triangle. And on Thursday we broke this ascending triangle and went all the way up. Now in the coming week with the FOMC meeting on Wednesday, we can expect it to come back down to test 3900s or possibly 3850s, mid 3800s. Again, this will be the first time it's forming higher low and a higher high consecutively. So far it has just been making higher lows but no higher highs, but this is the first time it's making higher high, and now we need to see whether it will make higher low and bounce back up to 4000ish level. There is one more possibility. We may see a melt up kind of scenario all the way up to 4100 and then come back to retest 3900 or mid 3800s. But a more structured way would be to go down a couple of days down here, take support and then bounce back up. And given the past experience, every time when Fed releases its minutes for regarding rate hikes, we see a green day on that day and then a red on the following day. So if Monday and Tuesday take support at 3900, we may expect a rally up on Wednesday and then again a retest of 3900s or mid 3800s on Thursday. So that being said, the weekly looks strong enough, and the lowest it should go in case of bulls is again mid 3800s. And if we remain in this upward trending channel that I created, a crude channel that I created, we may be past the bottom, which was at mid 3600s 6 weeks ago. So that's ES. Now going to NASDAQ. Again, NASDAQ is still in this channel again. We saw an ascending triangle on the week on NASDAQ, but also on NASDAQ that something interesting that can be seen is this was a great consolidation period. It consolidated here for almost 2 months. To be precise, NASDAQ consolidated here for 16 weeks. That's 4 months, I'm sorry. For 4 months NASDAQ consolidated here. Now coming back into the same zone, NASDAQ has been going sideways for the last 10 weeks. And if we come back here for another couple of weeks or just one more week, we are still less than here, and this is a great buying opportunity if we have seen the bottom already, which most likely we did from the way the chart is looking at. So again, NASDAQ can go as high as 12,800ish in this week and may possibly retest 12,000. So we may see about 800 to 900 point swing in this week. So that's it for NASDAQ and S&P 500. If we look at the Russell, Russell is also forming this ascending triangle formation and did break out. So Russell is actually doing quite good compared to NASDAQ and ES in terms that this is pierced this big red candle here, but again we need to see if it is just going consolidation sideways, which is not bad. for Russell, given that we have dropped significantly and we were in a extended zone of consolidation for over a year here. So Russell is not doing that bad compared to NASDAQ and ES as well. So that's it for Russell. And going to Dow Jones. Dow Jones is also showing a similar recovery pattern. It has still to make, it has actually, if I look at the daily chart, it has started making higher highs as well. Again, it has to make a higher low after making a higher high, and once it does that, we can say for fair certainty that we are in an upward trending zone again. So that's it for me today. I hope this is helpful, and if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to reach out to me through my website, that's sticktrade.com, or drop me a comment and I'll make sure that I'll respond back to you. Thank you.